Sissy, are you throwing your... What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you throwing your food off? See the floor? Yep, that's McKenna. And CJ in there talking about boobies. CJ, leave Mimi's alone. Are you throwing them off? Did you say you're just gonna hold them?
You're not just gonna hold them. No, he said I just gonna hold them. Look at him. We're just holding them.
This is just holding Mimi's boobies. Get your hands off of her boobies. Touch your boobies.
Leave my boobies alone.
Let me see you wiggle your peeper.
Go out there so she can see you do it.
Now wiggle it. Do it again.